Welcome to today's video, and we're going to start where we left off after assigning variables. So let's take a look at what we could do with some of these variables. Since we looked at numbers, let's just continue with those, and let's look at some of the operators that you could use with numbers, the traditional ones in math, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let me just change this around a bit. So let's just keep this variable of x is equal to 2. Actually, let's change it to 12. And then let's do another variable y equals, let's just do 3. Let's take a look at the first operator, which is addition. So if we add two numbers, so we add x, or to add two variables, and both of those variables have numbers as values. This is addition. Let's just let's print it out first. And this is, just keep a comment right here. Yeah, so if we haven't seen this, this is a comment, and in Python you just use a hash symbol or hashtag symbol, whatever you want to call it, to indicate it's a comment. Next one, let's do subtraction. So let's do x minus y. Let's put it right here, subtraction, print, and let's do multiplication, x times y, and that's done using the asterisk symbol. And this is multiplication, print x, and let's do divide. Let's divide the two numbers, and that's division, and the symbol we use for this operator is the forward slash, so it's slanted forward. Okay, let's move this down so we see a bit more. And let's do one more, which is the power of, so two numbers, so x to the power of y. And this you actually use in Python. What you do is use two asterisks, so it's like multiplication and then another multiplication, indicating that you raise it to the power. Let's do exponent. Let's just call it power of. So let's run these. Go right here and click run. And let's see the results. Okay, so first number is 15, yeah, and that's adding 12 and 3 together, so that's good. Second is 9, subtracting the two numbers, and then 36, multiplying 12 times 3. Division is 12 divided by 3 is 4. You can see there's a decimal and a 0 for this one, since when we divide, it makes sure that you could divide, let's say 12 by 5, that would have a decimal. So in division, Python will always add the decimal place as well. If we go on to the next one, which is the power of, that you can see x to the power of y, which is 12 to the power of 3, is 1728. So that's 12 times 12 times 12. These are the most simple mathematical operations you could do in Python. And one thing to know here in Python, so these symbols are called the operators, and these are the operands. The operator for the addition is the plus sign, subtraction is the minus sign, multiplication the asterisk. The operator for division in Python is the forward slash, and then the operator for the power of is the two asterisks. So there's many more operators in Python. We'll get into that later, but these are the most basic ones for mathematical operations. In the future, we'll look at logical and also bitwise operations, and I'll see you on the next one.